Okay, good morning Karubas. Today, napapanan na po dagiti pagayam yo, the 4-decade duo, of course. Mangtad tayo iti expanding envelope yan for our learners here at General Aguinaldo, specifically Jay Isla Verde Elementary School, and this is in cooperation with the Kiwanis International Ramon Salaknib Club, yan, and of course in cooperation with Dr. Adriano Sabado and the 4-decade duo Hong Kong chapter, of course, and the fund is galing po kay Mrs. Trotisio of Hong Kong. Ayan, so medyo adayo iti papanan po and masapol ti agbangka isong dito kami tata ngaton iti hydro wenno iti Magatdam Reservoir akas makita yo dagita fish cages. Magna kami apo dito tingana dito tapno lang ma-reach me dagi jay learners di jay dagi estudyante di jay wenno pupils nga adayo ti pagat-adalanda. And with us today, of course, is the Secretary of Kiwanis International, Ramon.
Hello, good morning everyone. Hello guys, we are here at Isla Verde General Emilio Aguinaldo Ramon Isabela, and we are very lucky this morning because we have here the President of the Kiwanis Ramon chapter, and we are very glad and thankful of Mrs. Troti Xiao, yun po ang amo ng aking asawa from Hong Kong, and we are here for social civic activity, which is we're gonna give free packets for school supplies for the learners at Isla Verde Elementary School. Maraming salamat for this social civic activity na ginagawa po ng chapter natin ng ating Kiwanis Group, and we are very happy na sana po mas marami pa pong mag-sponsor po sa mga social activities ng Kiwanis Group Ramon chapter.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, and we are looking forward for more sponsors coming from other countries. And siyempre po, kami po ay open po sa mga gustong tumulong po dyan. Ito po ay isang adhikain at layunin ng aming grupo, the Kiwanis Ramon chapter. Maraming salamat, and God bless us all.
Aji prayam bola mo i-reciten. Okay, join us. So good morning, Sir Angelino.
Yeah, sir, good morning, sir.
Kadi ka madali, okay? Isasudi ko ang microphone.
Yeah.
Okay, dala ba sa interview na?
Sir,
Ano
yes.
tinasar mo nga
Foundation.
foundation?
Max Factor 150. ay, naapo. So,
Anong arte awak kang ka?
teacher in charge, wala tanaan.
Teacher.
Isupay lang mo ti adang igigama ka SO.
Di ka pinakagatang ti item?
Nagrigat ka rin gumatang, sir. We have 123 pupils, 7 staff, faculty and staff.
Nalabaga mo iti color iti bond paper. Ada ka iti political color na data?
Ay, yeah?
BBM, nakareda pa yun.
Nakared na pa eh.
Yun po namin ngayon.
Oh, digital. Diyos ko. Okay, this is actually our second time to be here and our first time was idinangtad kami apo ti solar power ito idihampay nga uso ti kuryente ito si kami tinangtad iti kuryente nga mang supply iti kuryente dito data sinare mo din apo ti cell ko iso nga medyo nga mas usar da pa lang di solar nakita mo nga naka-display. Yes, in case of brownout kasi naka-ready lata. And once again, iti inusar na nga foundation is, ano di foundation inusar mo, Sir Angke?
Max Factor 150.
Nagkatangam ba jay?
Ha?
Nagkatangam.
Shopee. It will be.
So ape hang if it is not possible for an elementary school, why not primary school para pasok siya dun sa population ng pupils?
Oh no, this is a complete elementary na. That is recognized already. In the region. This
one
is
to
a
six.
kinder to 6. And take note, if I'm going to compare to other school, Pabil, Purok Nibulan, we are ahead of them.
In terms
of population or in terms of learners. Yeah, we have 123. Pabil is something we do not know is 90 and Purok Nibulan is 88, something like that.
Ko ape nga hanga may elementary dito.
Elementary na, sir.
And I mean
Pu-
makapanagan.
The purpose of having that, this is a requirement, so supposed to be we have to meet the requirements. The 13 requirements, we have to submit the 13 documents. If it is possible, maipasa namin yung 10. And the first one that is a problem to us is the location. This is under NIA,
Yo, asa ka kwan ito eh.
water reservoir ito.
Ayan, so naimbangag sa pamayan apo katagibon mo tayo nga rudon katagiti apo nga envelopes katagiti agad-agad dito estudyante. Joke lang, Sir Angki! Do the honor of giving.
Okay, sige. Thank you very much.
Say thank you.
Kasi kasi pa lang. Dito lang.
Ito ang nilikod.
Teka mo, teka mo. Dito.
Abay ka mo man.
Hindi ka ito.
Tato lapit tapos. Doon mo na kaya nakabali.
Ito labi. Ito labi.
Yan, of course, handang ubing apo tinaikan, dagiti pa representative ti ubing, dagiti naganak na.
Ayan. Gren.
Lauk-lauk man.
Kasi
Basta.
naka-video dito. Dayon hanggang tumanin ko ko dati.
Bibigat, actually kami. Kasi na tilapia ang naawak na.
Okay. Yan. Ibalik mo kukuling ang green.
Hindi, kasi naman ito, pwede ko.
Adriano niya oras mo na.
Kami ito. Kami.
Nabigat man na po, daman pa pa namin nga baranggayan. So thank you so much for watching.
Maraming
Salamat.
Possibly yun. Okay, good morning Kaaruba. Our next stop is Villa Carmen Elementary School. Of course, kasi kami lang 52 pieces of learning packets, expandable envelope for our kids. From our group, of course.
Thank you very much, Kiwanis. Natuloy-tuloy pa rin bibigyan ng blessings. Thank you.
Ganun lang kasimple. Sige, punta na tayo sa next stop. Thank you.
Thank you.
yung San Sebastian Integrated School.
Punta ako kayo.
San Sebastian Elementary School, and as we have said, going to have another stop here para magbigay ng expanded envelopes. Kita una ko on.
Villa Carmen.
Yeah,
From the
right right here with me is of course. Ano si Gaputawan ni principal, si Kati.
Appointed lang na OIC.
Oh, I see.
Appointed lang.
Oo, nagpintas. Ma'am Daisy din Zamora, of course. Yan, at ang namin ito regalo ni envelope.
Wow!
Yeah,
Thank you
envelope
po.
for our kids. And
Thank you, Sir June and the group.
yes, the Kiwanis Club.
The Kiwanis
Yes,
Club.
Kiwanis Club.
Okay, thank you
Simple
po.
lang. Ayan, kit.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
happy to
coming
join.
to San Sebastian Integrated School. Thank you po. Thank you very much, Sir June and the team. Okay.
Ano na lang natin? Gawan mo na lang ito ng anekdota. Right now.
Sila na
Expanded envelopes.
mga envelope. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you very much po. Makakarating po to sa mga bata at mga teacher.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Yes, once again, this is being sponsored by Madam Tradisyo of Hong Kong, and mga employer ng mga taga San Sebastian actually, ni Miss Miguela Acosta and Minda Almeral, dating taga sa San Sebastian. So, that's it. Tuloy na kami sa susunod naming stop. Well,
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.